Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of vibrating steering. In the first video, part 1, we spoke about what can cause your steering wheel to have this vibration and shaking on, and that would be firstly the wheel balancing, and secondly we looked at the CV joints, the inner ones where the nuts and the bolts could be loosened, and also the hub nut not being torqued to spec. And we also looked at the ball joints which could be worn, and also the tie rod ends that could be worn. So now I would like to just point out to you that another area that can cause vibration and things like that on your steering wheel would be faulty or worn shocks. Also a worn shock mounting. So those things you need to have checked out very urgently also by a fitment center, and if necessary have the shocks and the mountings replaced. And next would also be the tires. You need to also ensure that you have no bumps or bad tire wear, because bumps on your tire can also give you that vibration on the steering. And then lastly also your wheel alignment. Make sure that you have your wheel alignment set, because those are all the issues that can cause that you have a vibration on your steering. And like I said guys, you don't have to do all this yourself. You can just take your car to a fitment center and they can do the checks for you. And as I said, some of them they do not charge, some it's free, some just charges you a minimum fee of 50 to 100 rand, so that you can have peace of mind and know that everything is secure with regard to your suspension.